The Turkish Air Force is about to receive its first operational Anka 3 stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle, or UCAV, from Turkish Aerospace Industries, marking a major milestone in Turkey's efforts to develop advanced indigenous drone technologies. The delivery, reported on December 26, 2024, signifies a crucial step in modernizing the Turkish military's drone capabilities. The Anka 3 is a highly versatile platform designed for a wide range of missions, including reconnaissance, surveillance, and precision strikes. What sets the Anka 3 apart is its advanced stealth design, which significantly reduces its radar cross-section, allowing it to operate in contested airspaces with minimal risk of detection. Powered by a jet engine, the Anka 3 can reach speeds of up to 0.7 Mach and operate at altitudes as high as 40,000 feet. With a maximum takeoff weight of 6,500 kilograms, it can carry a payload of up to 1,200 kilograms, including advanced munitions like the SOM-J cruise missile and small-diameter bombs. The Anka 3's versatility is also one of its strongest assets. While originally developed for reconnaissance and surveillance, it is also capable of carrying out precision strike missions. With the ability to stay airborne for up to 10 hours and operate over extended ranges, the Anka 3 is well suited for long-duration missions in complex environments. Its beyond line-of-sight communication systems ensure that it can adapt to dynamic operational scenarios, making it a key asset for the Turkish Air Force. The integration of the Anka 3 into the Turkish Air Force will not only enhance Turkey's defense capabilities, but also provide invaluable experience for Turkish drone pilots. Operating one of the most advanced UCAVs in the world will help refine tactics and strategies, particularly for using the Anka 3 in modern combat. Beyond its military advantages, the Anka 3 is a symbol of Turkey's ongoing efforts to reduce reliance on foreign military technologies. This is part of a broader strategy to expand Turkey's indigenous defense industry, which has seen rapid growth in recent years. The success of the Anka 3 not only strengthens Turkey's military but also positions the country as a major player in the global drone market, with interest from international buyers already growing. In the future, the Anka 3 will likely be joined by other advanced systems, such as the Kızılelma UCAV. The Kızılelma, developed by Baykar, is designed for both air-to-air and air-to-ground combat, offering even greater versatility for the Turkish Air Force. Its ability to operate from short runways, including Turkey's amphibious assault ship TCG Anadolu, will make it a powerful complement to the Anka 3, enhancing Turkey's unmanned aerial capabilities even further. In conclusion, the delivery of the Anka 3 to the Turkish Air Force marks a new era in Turkey's defense modernization efforts. As Turkey continues to develop and deploy world-class UCAVs, it is positioning itself as a global leader in unmanned aerial warfare, shaping the future of military technology and defense strategies for years to come.